How to check if your PayPal account is verified in 2025 step by step. So hey everyone, so let's get onto the topic. So today I'll show you how you can check if your PayPal is verified or not. So PayPal account is mainly on two forms, like on personal or business. So first of all, you have to log in to your PayPal account, and after that, to check if your PayPal account is verified, you have to go to your wallet and click the bank account you want to confirm. If available, you'll see the instant bank confirmation on the next screen. Alternatively, you can request the PayPal deposit up to two random amounts into your bank account by selecting link your bank account another way. If you enter your bank account number manually, PayPal will prompt you to confirm this bank account. Within 3 business days, check your bank statement for two small deposits, each between $0.01 and 0.99 USD that PayPal sent. So to confirm a bank you have linked on the web, go to your wallet, click the bank you want to confirm, enter the exact amount of the two deposit made of your account and click submit. There is another way how you can check if your PayPal account is verified or not. So first of all, you have to log into your PayPal account and navigate to your account settings. So look up for a settings or profile option usually located in your account dashboard, and then find your account status. Within your settings, you should find a section related to your account verification status, and after that look at for badges or messages indicating that your email address, phone number and any linked bank accounts or cards are verified. If not verified, you have to PayPal will likely guide you through the verification process, which might involve linking a bank account, providing a copy of your ID, or other identity verification methods. So, the additional tips are: verify your email address, consider linking a bank account or card, and follow PayPal's instructions carefully. So, this is it for today's video. See you on the next one.